Everything begins in your mind. Everything. The way you feel, the way you act, the results you get, they all start with what's happening up here. Your mind is either your greatest weapon or your most dangerous enemy. And the difference between the two comes down to one thing: control. Are you controlling your thoughts, or are they controlling you? Most people don't realize it, but their lives are being shaped by unconscious patterns they never chose. They react instead of respond. They dwell on fear instead of focusing on possibility. They repeat the same thoughts, the same stories, the same limiting beliefs over and over again until those patterns become their reality. They say things like, "I'm not good with money," or "I can't lose weight," or "I'll never find the right person." And guess what? They prove themselves right every single time, because your mind doesn't work based on what's true. It works based on what you tell it. So if you want to change your life, you've got to start by rewiring your mind. You've got to take control of your thoughts. The same way an athlete trains their body consistently, intentionally, and with intensity, one of the most powerful ways to do that is to shift your focus. Whatever you focus on, you feel. If you constantly focus on what's missing, what's wrong, what's not working, your brain will find more of it. It's like a magnifying glass. Whatever you put it over gets bigger. But if you train yourself to focus on solutions, on what's possible, on what you can do instead of what you can't, your whole perspective shifts. Suddenly, the problem isn't as big as you thought. Suddenly, you see opportunities you never noticed before. And listen, this isn't just feel-good advice. This is neuroscience. Your brain has something called the reticular activating system, or RAS. It's like a filter that determines what information gets through to your conscious mind. Right now, there are millions of bits of information coming at you: sounds, colors, conversations, memories. But your RAS decides what's important. And what does it base that decision on? Whatever you consistently focus on. Ever notice how when you buy a new car, you start seeing that car everywhere? That's your RAS in action. It's not that more of those cars suddenly appeared, it's that your brain is now tuned to notice them. The same thing happens with your thoughts. If you're constantly focused on problems, your brain will find more problems. If you train yourself to focus on opportunities, guess what you'll start seeing? This is why the most successful people don't just have different habits, they have different thought patterns. They've trained their minds to work for them, not against them. And you can do the same thing. You can prime your brain every single day by asking better questions. Instead of, "Why does this always happen to me?" ask, "How can I use this?" Instead of, "What if I fail?" ask, "What if I succeed?" Instead of, "What's wrong?" ask, "What's great about this?"